build Android app in Google Studio using just your phone. So this is the app that I built. Let me tap on the app icon for you to see. And as you can see, my app has launched perfectly fine and it is working perfectly fine. It's a note-taking app that allows you to save notes by tapping on the plus icon. And then over here, you have the option to simply come and then select the color that you prefer. So after selecting the color, you can simply come and then write the title here. So I'm going to go with build Android app just like this. After that, you have the option to come to the category, tap on this and then select the category. So I'm going to select ideas for this category. And after that, you have the option to come and write the main notes right here, just like this. After that, you can simply come here and then come and tap on the save. And that is it. Your note will be saved perfectly fine. As you can see, I've successfully saved the note. It also comes with its own APK. Okay, so you can simply come and then tap on the APK and then come and then click or tap on the install, and then you can install the APK right on your phone. After that, you can simply tap on the open and the app will be opened. I built it right inside Google Studio using just my phone, and then all that I did was to simply come and then tap on build Android app, and then after tapping on it, I simply added the prompt to build the app by simply pasting it right inside the chat box just like this. And after pasting it, all that I did was to simply tap on the send button, and that is it. Google Studio built the complete app. I was able to come and then tap on the install right inside Google Studio, and then over here they are going to ask you to connect your phone, okay, using a PC, and then tap on the install by USB. But I'm going to show you a quick way that you can simply go around it using just your phone and then install your APK right on your phone without the PC. Okay, and then after installing it successfully just like this, you also have the prompt. Okay, I'm going to give you a full prompt that you're simply going to copy and then paste in your own app idea and then build the app. So let's get right into it. Simply select Chrome on your phone just like this, and then from the search, simply come here and then come and then type in Google AI Studio just like this, and then come and select Google AI Studio. So after selecting it, simply come and then come and tap the official site of Google AI Studio. It's going to bring you right here. Simply come and then tap on the skip. Okay, so after tapping on escape over here, you have the option to build your own Android app. But make sure that you come here to the settings, tap on it, and then make sure that the model selected is Gemini 3.5 Flash. That is so far the best among them. And then come and tap on the close, and then simply come here to the three bars and then come and tap on it. Okay, so when you tap on it over here, you have the option to come here to where you have the build, and then come and then tap on the apps. Okay, so when you tap on the apps, the app section will come, and as you can see from the apps over here, I have already built an Android app already. Okay, so from here, simply come here to the three dots. Okay, among the options, come here to the three dots, tap on it, and then you see that you have the option to come and then create new app by tapping on it. Okay, and then over here to bring you right here to where you can simply come and then create your Android app. Okay, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and then tap on build Android app. Okay, so when you tap on it, it is going to be added to the chat just like this, and then now all that you need is the prompt to build your Android app. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to get the prompt. So I have pinned it inside the description. Okay, the video description, I have a link to this part. Okay, inside it, just look down and then click on it. It's going to bring you right here to where it says prompt starts here. Come and then long press it. Okay, and then highlight the whole thing from top to the bottom, the whole prompt from top to the bottom, and then simply come here and then come and then tap on the copy after clicking on the link inside the video description. Okay, after copying it, all that you have to do is simply come and then tap on notepad on your phone, so that notepad will be open just like this. Come and then press on the plus icon. Okay, and then long press, you will see that paste will come, and then tap on the paste and then paste the whole prompt inside it. What you have to do is that after pasting the prompt inside notepad, simply scroll down, and then over here, that is the most important thing, that is the app name. Where it says paste your app name here, simply long press on it and then come and then write your own app name. That's the Android app name that you want to build, just like this. After that, simply come here to where we have the app description. Okay, where it says paste your app description here, simply come and then long press on it, highlight it, and then come and write a detailed description of your Android app, something just like this, exactly how you want the app to be. After that, come to the top here where we have the check mark, come and then tap on it, and then your note will be saved. Now, all that you have to do is simply come and then highlight it, okay, and then come here to the three bars, tap on it, and then come and tap on select all, so that all the prompt will be selected. And then simply come here and then come and tap on the copy to copy the whole prompt. So after copying it, all that you have to do is simply come back to Google Studio, come and then long press inside the chat, okay. You see that paste will come and then come and tap on it. So after pasting your prompt just like this, all that you have to do is to simply come here to where we have the send button, okay, and then come and tap on it to send the prompt, okay. So after tapping on it, it's going to ask you to allow it so that it will show you when it is done. So after allowing it, that is it. Google Studio is going to build your app for you. But the most important thing is to simply come and select the design that you prefer. So when you come down here, you see that we have the professional polish. Come and then tap on the forward icon, and then it will change to a next design. So this is the next design. If you don't like it, you have the option to come and then tap on the forward section again, and then it's going to change to the next design and the next design, okay. So I'm simply going to select this design. It is very nice. That is the one that I prefer, okay. And all that I have to do is simply come here and then come and tap on select this design. After tapping on it, Google AI Studio is simply going to go ahead and then build my Android app for me. Okay, so it has finished building. It is the app icon. Let me tap on it for you to see. And you have the option to use the font that will be displayed. Always make sure that you are within the preview section, and then to install your APK, simply come here to the three dots, come and tap on it, okay. So these options will come, and then all that you have to do is simply come down here, scroll down, and then come here to the desktop site and come and check the box. So it will change to desktop site whereby you will get the install button. Simply zoom into where we have the install options, and then come and then tap on it, okay. When you tap on it, it will open just like this. It wants you to connect your phone using a USB cable. It means that you should be using a PC and then a phone at the same time. But I'm going to show you a workaround, okay, whereby you're going to use two phones. You don't need a PC, and all that you have to do is to simply come here to where it says install by USB cable, and then tap on it. And then you need a USB-C OTG adapter cable, okay, and a data cable. This cable, use it to connect two phones, okay, the one that you use to build your app, and then the one that you want to install the APK on it. Connect them together just as this image is. So after connecting the two phones using the cable, simply come to the phone that you want to install the APK, tap on the settings, okay. It will bring you right here to the settings, and then simply scroll down to where we have the system and come and tap on it. So after tapping on it, simply come here to where we have all these options. Simply come here to where we have the developer options and come and tap on it. It will bring you right here to the developer option just like this, okay. Simply scroll through and then search for the USB doubling, okay, this option, and then simply come and then make sure that you have turned it on if it is off. After turning it on, that is it. You can simply come and then tap on the install via USB after connecting the cables, okay. It is going to try to install the APK on the phone that you have connected, and then you see that the phone name will pop up just like this. Come and then tap on it to select it, and then simply come and then tap on the connect, and that is it. So the APK is simply going to be installed on the phone that you have connected the cable with, just like this. And after it has finished install, you will see this successful message that it has successfully installed your APK. Simply come and then tap on the close option to close it, just like this. And now all that you have to do is simply go to the phone. You are going to see the app has been installed. Tap on the app icon so that the app will open just like this, okay. So now that we have successfully installed our app on our phone and then it's working perfectly fine, let me show you how to get the APK. So to get the APK, simply come here to Google Play, come and then tap on it. That is Google Play Store. Come here to the search and then tap on it, okay. And after that, simply come to the top search bar, tap on it, and then come and search for Files by Google, and then come and tap on it to select it. It will open just like this, okay. So as you can see, I've successfully installed it. So if you haven't installed it, simply install it, and then simply come and then tap on the open after it has finished installed, okay. So it will open just like this. Scroll down and then come here to the apps and come and tap on it, and then over here simply come here to the installed apps just like this, okay. And then you are going to find the app that we just installed. Simply come here to the three dots and then come and tap on it, it will open all these options, and all that you have to do is simply come here to the share and come and tap on the share. So after tapping on the share, you see that it says that you can share your APK just like this. Simply come and then tap on WhatsApp. That is the best option. And then come and select any chat. So I'm going to go with this. Select it and then simply come and then tap on the send option. You see that your APK will show up just like this so that you can download it. And then simply come and then tap on the send option. And then your APK is simply going to be downloaded for you just like this. So now you have the option to simply install it. Okay, I've already installed it, but let me show you how to install it. Simply tap on the APK to open just like this. Okay, and then come and tap on the install. And then from here, it is simply going to install. But since it's a new app, Play Protect is going to ask you to scan it. Simply come here to where it says more details. Come and tap on the down arrow, and then simply come and then tap on install without scanning, and it is simply going to install. Now that it has finished installing, come and then tap on the opened, and that is it. Your app has successfully been installed and it is working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to build Android app inside Google AI Studio using just your phone. Like the video and then see you in my next video.